Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all would be fine. I am also fine. In this video you will see some wonderful and amazing home decoration ideas. I always try to bring some new and unique ideas for you. Look at these. All ideas are new and unique. You can take the screenshot of the picture that you like most, or you can also save the video. If you are enjoying the video, then please let me know in the comment section, and also let me know your good name and from which country you are watching my channel, so that I can send you the special greetings in my next video. And if you are new on my channel and didn't subscribe the channel yet, then please subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my new and upcoming videos. Look at this. All ideas are unique and innovative. You can take the screenshot of the picture, or you can also save the video. If you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family members. Alright viewers, thanks for watching.